Hello friends, welcome back to Deft. And today we are going to see selecting chart type is necessary because we can identify few things like first thing is the price, second thing is the type of pattern that has been occurring. Moreover, you can even determine the trend that is happening. So based on this, you can even put your own analysis, and finally after these things you can determine whether what stock to buy or sell, or wait or hold. Like that you can choose your trade. So the first type is the line chart. So as you can see about the line chart can help you determine the closing price of the chart. For example, if you choose a time frame, for example the 5-minute time frame, if you select the 5-minute time frame, one will show you after the first 5 minutes the closing price. The second one will show you the closing price of the second 5 minutes. So based on this you can identify what was the closing price of each 5 minutes, and it is easier to understand in the line chart. Moreover, line chart even gives one more benefit of identifying the pattern. For example, you can identify patterns like double top, triple top, head and shoulder, or patterns like these. Moreover, most of them use this for confirming patterns rather than identifying them. If you find a pattern in candlestick chart, and if the analysis is proper, you can even try it even in the line chart. Moreover, talking about the second type of chart type is the candlestick chart. Talking about this candlestick chart helps us to identify the opening, closing, high, low, as well as you can even see whether the pattern has occurred or not. Why choosing this candlestick chart is used by most of them is because you can easily know when the price is moving up or down, and even the opening, closing, high and low can easily help us determine what is going on in the market for the particular company. Talking about the bar chart is useful in identifying the opening, closing, high and low, just like the candlestick chart. It easily gives us the volatility that has been occurring in the price. For example, the longer the line, the higher will be the volatility. So based on that you can understand this, but it takes a lot of time to get through it. So if you're thinking to use this type of chart, you should take time to understand it properly, and based on that you can identify your trades. Talking about Renko chart is shown in just like blocks. For example, here you can see the green blocks that have been occurring. If you see the green blocks here, wait a minute. So till here the green blocks have been occurring, and this type of chart eliminates the minor movements that have been occurring in the chart. So if you choose to see this chart, you can use it for seeing whether the movement is up or down, and based on that you can know what is happening in the market. Talking about this point and figure chart, it has only two letters, which is X and O. X is determined by green, whereas O is determined with red. X will show us whether the price is going up, whereas O shows us whether the price is going down. But it takes a lot of time to understand what is actually happening in this chart, so many of them don't use this chart. And if you are seeing other than this, you can go with the candlestick chart because it is easy to understand for everyone. Talking about this chart, Heikin-Ashi can show us what the trend might go. For example, the top moving pattern here, Here you can see whether the trend is going up or down, and the indication of trend can be done based on few things. So you can see till here the uptrend was there, and after this the trend went downwards till here, and again after here, after some point the trend went up at this point. So based on this, it might be easy to understand whether the trend is going up or down. Based on that, you can identify trends in Heikin Ashi. This chart is similar to candlesticks chart, and the only difference is the movement is in the same type. For example, if it comes green, the next one might come green, but after you understand the proper use of these candles, you might know that what the next candle might come. So Heikin Ashi is useful in those things. We hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and do click on the bell icon to receive the latest notifications. We would be seeing about candlestick chart and bar chart in our upcoming video, and moreover we have posted few walk and earn type of apps, as well as few other websites through which you can earn some money, and see you in the next video. Until then, thank you.